Good morning! Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day!
From USVI to our friends in the Philippines, Happy Teacher's Day! So, today I'm gonna do interview with this ex-head teacher. Nag-G1 teacher na siya diri karon. Sige, Miss Joy is with me today. Miss Joy, hello.
Hi! Hello, everyone!
Miss Joy, question. Nagmahay ba ka nga ni ka sa US?
Wala man. Wala ko nagmahay. Because opportunity knocks once. So, and I need also to be, I need to explore, right? Parang kinahanglan pud ta mo out sa tuang
Comfort zone.
comfort zone.
Yes. So, unsa pinaka-struggle nimo teaching here in the US?
Behavior.
Batasan sa mga bata, diba?
Batasan sa mga bata. So,
Pero okay ra jud.
pero laban gihapon
Laban.
kay later on sa kadugay makuha ra man pud nimo ilahang kiliti.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly. So, si Ma'am Di is MAPI teacher. So, pag-abot diri naghandle siya og gym class. So, gym class, it refers to physical education.
PE
O,
teacher.
diba? So, dili jud mingon na PE diri, mingon jud gym class.
Class.
Wear your gym clothes. Di ba? Lahi kayo.
From high school to elementary,
K to 6.
K to 6.
So, okay ra jud.
Laban gihapon from
So,
pre-K, kinder 1, 2, and 3.
okay. So, Ma'am Joy, aside na, unsay may kasulti sa imong mga co-teachers diri?
Supportive kayo sila. I like the Filipino community here sa amoang school, sa Clodo Marco, kay every now and then, naga-support, naga-ask yun kung kumusta na ka, kay kabalo sila na naga-adjust pag yun ka, labi na sa mga batasan sa mga bata.
Yeah. When it comes to sa mga taga-diri,
The locals also are very supportive. They
Welcoming,
always,
right?
di ba? They always ask you, are you good? Are you
Yeah,
fine?
yeah,
Is there any problem? So, just ask me, call me if there is a problem, ganyan. Na masuporta gyud sila. So,
Yeah,
buutan pud
yeah.
kaayo ang mga local teachers.
yes, exactly. But then, unsa pa jud laing struggle nimo sa pag-anhi nimo diri?
So far, murag kato pa man, behavior pa man sa mga bata, wala pa man po ko sana di lang po maka-encounter sa mga batasan sa ginikanan. Pero mga bata gyud.
Grabe na.
Ang mga bata gyud ang kuan kay lahi man gud ang sa mga bata sa tuwa sa Philippines ug ang mga bata diri.
Okay, so muna siya. Pero in terms sa imuha, unsay may kasulti sa atong environment diri? Okay?
Ang environment diri sa USVI kay okay siya, nindot ang
Mingaw.
iyang mingaw, nagyud ka sa province kumbaga. Isla gyud siya.
Sige
Diba?
lang, day, mahalon biya to kay Paradise Pin sa US.
Diba? Kuan ba yan yung Saint Croix kanang
Napuyo mi sa
tourist.
Paradise
Diba?
sa US.
Tourist spot pud ba yan ni siya no? So nagyud gihapon.
Hmm.
Although nasa isla, init kaayo pero carry.
Pag diri, unsa to ang bagyo,
Ang bagyo,
ginahangyo na mo.
ginahangyo na mo ang bagyo nga wani.
Sa Pilipinas.
Sa Pilipinas,
Ayaw lang.
Ayaw lang abot. Pero diri, we love it.
Yeah, everybody like, oh my God. Just to skip sa mga batasan sa mga bata. Mo ginasiya. Pero aside from that, when it comes sa imong kuan, sa imong processing, sa imong pag-apply, okay ba?
Ang processing sa pag-apply, padulong diri, daghan kag magian, pero lakasan ng loob lang yun.
Yeah.
Diba? Lakasan ng loob. You need to face, no? Kumbaga, atubangon gyud nimo kung Kay imo manggisudlan, imo
Hala.
gyud siyang
Tiwason.
tiwason na.
Pus lang nabasa, maligo na lang
Maligo na
jud.
lang yun.
Yeah. Mga pila jud imong nagasto, Ma'am Joy, from the start nimo pag-apply?
Pagka-start, murag dako-dako gyud siya oy, murag naabot na gyud
Estimate
siya.
lang
Estimate, naabot gyud siya mga 800, ana?
Yeah, 800,000, right?
800,000.
From the processing sa TUR.
Tanan-tanan.
Yeah, hi. Here is another one. Ang retard EPS sa program ka, Ma'am, no?
Monitoring and evaluation.
Monitoring and evaluation from Guimaras Division. Ayan, di ba? Ma'am, makisali ka na. Interview portion yan.
Interview portion.
Oh, really?
Tapos
yeah.
na.
Ito si Ma'am
Mirna.
Mirna Cabi from Region 7.
Region 6.
Region
Six.
6, ha?
Yeah,
Region
Guimaras.
6. Okay, Ma'am Mirna, any struggle here sa US?
Yung struggle lang dito is your adjustment when it comes to classroom management, because we have different culture in the Philippines. We have different culture, we have different set of students compared in our country. So that's the only adjustment, and you focus in the classroom, and when you get home, you're free and you're
Yeah.
stress-free already.
Yes, yes,
Yay!
Yes.
No paperwork, right?
No more paperwork.
So
no
remember,
GC, no ASAP reports,
Yeah.
no blah 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 blah. Charot.
she is ex-EPS, she is ex-head teacher, and me, yours truly, ex-MTT, master teacher. So, di ba, ang number one dyan na mong pinagaganahan, wala may papilis, buhaton. Wala
No
may
coordinatorships.
reports, buhaton.
No coordinatorships, no ASAP reports, no accomplishment reports. Focus on your class. No more, no less.
Teaching only, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, estimated, ma'am, pila imong nagasto going here?
Estimate.
Estimate.
More or
Yeah.
less a million.
More or less from the start.
Yeah, from the beginning.
Okay, from the beginning talaga, it's a million. Hi, Miss!
We have another friend here.
I'm doing a videotape, and she is also a J1 teacher from Guyana, South America, right? So, same sa process sa mga J1 Filipino teacher, Miss
Cooper.
Erica Hopper is one also of the J1. Miss Hopper, what are your struggles here?
Oh my.
There's so many. In discipline is the biggest one. We're not accustomed to indiscipline.
Behavior with the
Behavioral
student.
problem.
Yeah.
That's the challenge.
But what is the difference between your school before and here?
in terms of what?
Behavior.
Behavior
Mm-hmm.
problem. Well,
Discipline.
discipline is much more upheld. Respect is the time of the day back home. Compared to here, it's not.
Okay.
And so, also, adults or elders, as we see, are more valued back home. Children tend to listen to adults, follow instructions. Here is more of a challenge. You get why, how, when, where, It's harder to get them following instructions. So that's
Yeah.
Instructions.
I agree with you.
true. That's the
Yeah.
biggest challenge.
So,
Instructions.
question, how much in total?
Estimated
Yeah, estimate amount.
amount you spent coming here.
Tops 3 million Guyana dollars.
3 million Guyana dollars. Oh my God.
How much is
That
that
in US dollar.
Well, one US is equivalent to 200 Guyana dollars.
And then you spend 3 million. Oh, wow.
wow.
Okay.
Double.
Maybe it's just close.
So, the G1 teachers here. And by the way, happy Teachers Day to all. of us.
Happy Teacher's Day!
See you next time, guys.
Bye.
My part 2 too. My part 2. Bye.